cold many ages ago, when the ground was frozen and covered with snow. The land was bare and fierce winds did blow, and when the ice thawed, her waters first flowed. Hunters first found her in those cold days of yore, while seeking the mammoths that then roamed her shores. And then came the age of Lenape lore, and for centuries she saw the splash of their oars. It was thousands of years before the whites came, and the woods were wild which they sought to tame. The Dutch, Swedes, and Scots and the Brits laid their claim to a river that would never again be the same. Cut down for building and burning, for feeding the fires of forge and of furnace, and over their dams her water fell churning, powering their mills, setting water wheels turning. This river has seen it all. She saw iron empires rise and fall. She's seen cedar trees that stood up 200 feet tall, which finally fell to the blade of a saw. The British boats were seized by the privateers so bold, and the spoils were taken to the forks to be sold. And these pirates, these patriots, a fortune they'd make, till the English decided 'twas all they would take. They sailed down the ocean into the Little Egg Sound. They sunk ships and burned chestnut neck to the ground. They headed towards Batstow, but to no avail. The Brits did retreat and the rebels prevailed. The river watched industries come and then go. With her tide she saw commerce and trade ebb and flow. She seen battles that stained her water with blood, and she hides her ghost ships 6 feet in the mud. For years she saw sailing ships transport their loads, but she was slowly abandoned for the great new railroad. And factories flourished and faltered and turned, and charcoalers left with no trees left to burn. Then the river was quiet and she fell fast asleep. But her past is vast and the secrets she keeps from the highlands where her headwaters cease. to the mouth of the river where her water runs deep. To what end will she flow? In what fate will she see? Will she run dry and drowned, or be drowned by the sea? Will folly we sow? Will ruin she reap? Or will we stay true to the river we keep? Or will we stay true to the river we keep?
Baptized in cedar water, a way of life, preaching and shipbuilding, deep in the pines, God left His mark. Here at the forks, oh, I'm floating down the Mullica River. Oh, 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 with a hold full of glass and iron and a heart filled with love. Oh, oh, oh. Long planks of clear cedar stacked in the yard, lamp black and turpentine, colors my kin, the flood tide signs. Time to untie the lines. Oh, I'm floating down the Mullica River. Oh, 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 with a hold full of glass and iron and a heart filled